got him. Seriously? Yep. Gotcha, bitch.
Hello guys and welcome back. We're playing Capture the Flag again with a little bit of a twist, which is a siren domination. And as you've seen so far, I was just having fun on the field, but now it's time to get down to a bit more serious stuff. And mainly, I'm gonna try and go and take the enemy flag. Let's see how this is going to work out. Whew, danger is gone, time to climb. Okay, we're in. Now it's time for us to be really quiet. Well, fuck it.
Run.
Okay, I got this far, but now I'm stuck between enemies. I'm gonna have to put the flag down and start trying to pick them out one by one so I can make my way or get myself back to my own base and take the flag with me. But this is not going to go too well. First guy I'm trying to shoot over here, I keep missing him. So, you know, he starts shooting back because he's noticing where I'm shooting from. And then there's a guy in front of me. Luckily I can take him down, but
Hit!
then I get shot by this guy. And here are some funny moments.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Under arrest, you're filming unauthorized property.
Shit! I'm screwed! Oh god! No! 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 No!
So that's pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, leave it a like, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Maybe they will like it too. And you know, subscribe if you want to see more content like this one. And see you on the next video, guys. And see you on the field if you come and play at the factory.